Our primary use is communication points. We try to get information relayed to the floor staff much more quickly. Much of that information is valuable and critical to the work that they're doing. So being able to get some of that information, not just health and safety, as you know, we use it for our health and safety communication, but we have 6 different boards up. So we use Rise Vision for not just the health and safety portion of it, but we use it for our quality metrics, our production metrics. All of that information is being utilized so that we can transfer that information to the floor staff in a much more quicker, cleaner, efficient way. The biggest challenge was just getting important information and data to those folks, to the employees out on the floor who are making real-time decisions. The biggest challenge was getting them information and data that they needed to make those decisions. So being able to use the Rise Vision to get that information displayed out there where it's readily accessible and visible to everybody helps them make better decisions and ensure that they're meeting their metrics on a more rapid pace and enable them to make better decisions. We use a lot of information sharing. So again, we have about 8 different message boards. We have a board strictly dedicated for safety. So I use that board for safety metrics, where we stand on our metrics, what are our goals, what is our safety focus for each month, things of that nature. Then we have a board dedicated to strictly quality, where our quality leadership is putting out quality metrics, what our quality targets are for each hour, for each line within the facility. We have a production board. That board is strictly focused on production goals and targets. And having those message boards out there, again, gives the employees the opportunity to make real-time decisions much quicker and adjustments to reach those goals. So we have safety, we have quality, we have production, we have cost, and we have an HR board out there as well. Oh, I think it's made a huge difference having Rise. Again, giving us the ability to get the information out quicker to the staff, to the employees. It allows us to get it to them in a much more dynamic way, rather than just the old traditional message boards or whiteboards. Having Rise Vision enables us to change the content more regularly, the design, all of those things that draw the employees in and draws their attention in order to receive that information much better. What I like most about Rise is it's very easy to use. It gives me all kinds of opportunity and flexibility to add different things, different presentations, change how things look and the styles and the colors and the designs. And it just, again, gives me that ability to draw folks in so that we know they're seeing that material. They're paying attention to what's going on out there. And it's a very easy system to use. Absolutely, I would recommend Rise to others. Again, it's a very easy, simple system to use. The flexibility and the options it gives us to change the material and how it's viewed. It's a wonderful tool to have. And again, it's designed to draw people in. And I think that's a great tool to have.